Hello guys, welcome to Noteartener. In this video I'm showing you how you can stop people from sharing your posts on Facebook app. So you can watch this video until the end to know the full process, and then after that you will be able to do that. But before getting into the video, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel Noteartener is a tech tutorial channel, and here we upload daily how-to tutorial videos bringing solution of your simple and complex problem that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join our community by subscribing and pressing bell icon so that you receive regular updates of more interesting and knowledgeful tech videos like this one. Now let's jump into the video. So firstly you have to open your Facebook app, and then you can log into your account if you not have done already. Then you can simply tap on this menu icon in the top right corner, then scroll down, tap on the settings and privacy, and then tap on the settings. Here you have to scroll down to the audience and visibility tab, then tap on the story section, and then tap on the sharing options in this page. When you are here, then tap on this first option which says allow others to share your public stories to their own story. If you don't want to allow them, then you can simply tap on the only me, and then uh, tap on this pack icon, and then here you can see allow people to share your stories if you mention them. So if you also don't want to allow the peoples that you have mentioned to share your stories, then you can also don't allow them. And then that's it, that how you can do this. So if you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share this video with your friends. That's it.